In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a YouTube channel art without using Photoshop. Okay, on your PC or laptop, open any browser and type snappa.com. For your convenience, I will leave the official Snappa website link in the description. Make use of that. Then open this. Now click login. Here you can create your Snappa account. It's just two-step process. I already have an account, so I just log in here. Yes. Now scroll down a bit. Then you will see this YouTube banner template. Open that. Here you can see a lots of banner templates. You can use any of these for free. For example, I open this. Here you can zoom in or zoom out the template, and if you click fit, it's back to default position. And this highlighted area will be visible on all devices from phone to smart TV. And up to this region will be visible on computer or laptop screen. Then this whole banner will be only visible on smart TVs only. So concentrate your editing only on this portion. Okay, first background. Here you can add or change the background to images or patterns, or upload your custom image, or you can also choose any color. Then here you can add additional text if you wish, and then here you can add varieties of graphics, icons, like that stuff. And finally you can also add different shapes. Okay, let's edit the text. Here change the text font and change the color to. Double click to edit text. Let's type daily dots. Here you can increase the text size, and here write some details about your channel. Let's type we provide iPhone and iPad videos. Bold the text and change the font if you wish. And if you don't like this background, just change here. Or search for elements to add. Just search and add some cool elements like this. Hold Ctrl to resize the element. And here you can move any layer to forward or backward like this. Once it feels good, then here you can save the project file. For now, just click download. I choose web optimized JPG. Then channel banner will be downloaded to your downloads section. It's cool. Now open your YouTube channel, upload and select the banner. It's perfectly fit. Done. That's it. And if you want to know how to create your custom channel watermark without using Photoshop means, watch this video.